Hello, welcome to another edition of Accounting Clarity for Entrepreneurs. Today we are going to find out how to find your owner's draw and what that means. This has been prepared by one of our senior accountants here at Kahuna Accounting, Ryan Oltman. And so let's get right into it. First, let's start here. What is owner's draw? What are we talking about? Well, owner's draw is cash taken directly from the business for personal use by the owner. So as a business owner, this is really important because this number directly affects the bottom line of the business. It directly affects the amount of capital that you have in the business. So you want to have a good handle on it. So now that we know what it is, how do we find it? So first, you're going to find your balance sheet. So the balance sheet is where this is located. If you're in Xero, you can just head to Reports, and then on the drop down, you will see the balance sheet. You'll want to open the balance sheet to find your owner's draw. Now we can see our balance sheet, and once we do that, you want to look down at the bottom under Equity, and you will find your owner's draw. The reason why owner's draw is located in the Equity section is because the business owner is taking cash out of the business, and that is a direct reduction in the owner's capital in the company. So it is affecting the equity. Now, another important thing to realize is that because when you're looking at a balance sheet, you're looking at something cumulative. You're looking at, like we said in another edition of this Accounting Clarity for Entrepreneurs, that the balance sheet is a snapshot of everything that's going on in the company. So if you want to know what happened with your owner's draw in a specific period of time, you're going to want to drill in one step further. In Xero, you can click on owner's draw, and you'll understand a little bit more about what's going on. Once you've done that, it'll take you to this screen that will explain what's going on in the owner's draw account. So when you see it here, one thing to notice is that at the top, there's an opening balance of $1,500. So what that means is that has been there. What we've done in this report is isolated from January 1st to January 31st of 2016. So the opening balance is everything prior to that. And then once you get past the opening balance from December 31st, you're going to see all the activity since then. So then we are able to see that the actual amount taken out for owner's draw in January 2016 is $4,530.50. That is the total sum taken out. So why does this matter? What good does it do? Well, a couple things. This directly affects your bottom line, so you absolutely want to know why. You want to be certain that the money is going to where it needs to go. The other important thing to realize is that sometimes items that are questionably related to the business, so that an example could be like expenses at Walgreens or something like that, that very likely could be personal. A lot of times your bookkeeper or accountant will make that an owner's draw because it seems personal, but there's a chance that it is actually a business expense, and so you want to know if you have owner's draw coming out, what that's for. So owner's draw is not just money taken out for your own account, but it's also expenses that you have that are personal expenses. Those go to owner's draw. So you always want to take a look and make sure that your owner's draw is truly owner's draw, because it really affects the business. So that's owner's draw, and that's a big piece of running your business, is having a handle on things like that. If that's something you have never seen before or just don't have a real grasp on, maybe you're interested in getting in a system like Xero, working with an accounting team like we have at Kahuna Accounting. If that's the case and you want to learn more about how we help entrepreneurs see their numbers, you can head to kahunaaccounting.com, and we would love to have a conversation and see if it makes sense for us to work together. But as always, we appreciate you being here for the video and learning more about owner's draw. I hope to see you soon. Thanks.